everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian recipe, and it's going to be stir-fry mixed vegetable with tofu. I have a mixed vegetable. These are frozen. Tofu, red onion cut into long thin slices, green chili, garlic, black pepper, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, and olive oil for tadka. The first step will be cutting up the tofu. It's always a good idea when you cut the tofu, you drain the water. As you see, this is full with water. Prior to cutting up the tofu, we're going to wash with the cold water. So I'll drain the water. This is what I did. I took out the tofu and I washed with the cold water. And now we're going to cut right in the middle. Then we're going to cut about this size. Turn it over, cut right in the middle again. And we're going to cut about this size, like cube size pieces. So I'll keep cutting the same way. I will show you one more. And then I'll finish up the rest. So we are done cutting up all the pieces, and let's start making our delicious stir-fry vegetables with tofu. Start gas, get a karahi, add olive oil. We're going to stir fry tofu first. Keep them turning, and we're going to make sure they are nicely changes the color. Once they change the color, then we'll pull tofu out. As you see, we need this kind of color, so keep them turning. Just like this. So once all these are changed the color like this, then we're going to pull these out. All the tofu is nicely stir-fried and they change the nice color. This is perfect. I'll take these out in plate. So this is the last one. Now in the same karahi, bring garlic. Cook until raw garlicky flavor is gone. Add onion, mix it well, and keep cooking onion until they are nicely translucent. As you see, the onions are translucent. Add green chili. Mix it. Once it's combined, add mixed vegetable. Mix it well and keep cooking with onion. Cooking for 5 minutes. As you can see, it has released all the water and also it starts to cook. Now I'll add all the spices. Cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper, salt, and mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined, add tofu. Mix it well again. Once it's nicely combined, see there is no more moisture, no more water, it's fully cooked. Start to ooze out the oil. Our dish is ready. I'll turn off the gas and I'll dish out. I have my serving plate ready. Delicious vegetable with tofu. Let me share with you. Our quick and easy vegetable with tofu recipe is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this vegetarian recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.